Good Monday morning to you, June 15th. Let's do a mid-June complete garden tour. You're looking at lemon balm. This is what I refer to as our perennial medicine hill. All these should come back next year, another lemon balm. Let's look at this. He needs trimming. I'm gonna cut him about right there and root him in water. Yes. Then we'll get another plant. Like a stick in the middle, we'll have 3 lemon balms. Alright, peppermint. Can we tell I'm behind? We got peppermint we need to harvest too. Get the grass out of it. Beautiful mint. Awesome. Ginger mint, slowly but surely. Ginger mint, slowly but surely. We have our feverfew. Our catnip is staying alive. And our echinacea is staying alive. Alright, let's go check the old garden area. So, our bipolar little spring here with the fluctuating temperatures have killed some plants. I'll redo the cucumbers. Just a few cucumbers. We have raspberry. Yes, I have to redo the cucumbers. Our beans. Let's see if I can get you one that's got beans on it. We got beans, guys. Got beans. More beans. We have beans. And that's not even the bean section. That's just some extra I threw out here. Raspberry. Another dead cucumber. Dill's looking pretty good. Thimbleberry. Or, and I'm in the shadow. Or northern veg straw. Thimbleberry. We have catnip growing in here. It likes it out here. Elderberry. Rhubarb. Up. And a kitty following mama. Sailor's following Mom. He's being the shadow. We have pea plants. Raspberries, raspberries. More pea plants. Sage. Strawberries. My herb garden, my oregano is not happy. I have to redo that. But I do have parsley in the middle. And a kitty who wants love. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera. You said camera, Mama. Alright, let's give them the tour. Listen to the birds, raspberries. My spinach pot. There's going to be a lot of spinach. You're going to have to weed that out. The spinach is good for you. The tree. My overwintering onions, they're a little confused with the weather. They're pretty confused. They want to start bolting, and I don't think they should yet, but here we are. Isn't that a beauty? Nice. Blueberries not producing. We're getting more for the food forest. These are just old plants. Broccoli's looking okay. Pretty good and happy. Raspberry. My butter crunch lettuce I need to thin out. A beautiful mullein plant I refuse to chop down. There's going to be another apple tree. Strawberries, strawberries, strawberries. Mint pots. They'll get spread through the food forest. I haven't made it that far. Brian's tomatoes. The 5-gallon bucket challenge from Big Matt Outdoors is doing pretty good. Like I said, they all got shocked with the cold weather, so things are just taking a little longer, but they survived. We have Rutgers, Parks Whopper, Super Sauce, Beefsteak, a Cherokee Purple. There's my Hillbilly. That should be a cherry, I think. Yep, cherry. And my Roma. Looking a little sad, but we're getting warm temperatures, guys. I think we're done with the freezing mess. Let's go check under the steps. I have some sage to harvest. We'll get that. And saw the birds. I think the robins are messing with my chives, but we have some. Let's go to the greenhouse. So right now, this is a mess, guys, because I'm still working on the food forest. Started on the food forest. We got the corn in the ground last Monday. So I'll show you what I've done in a minute. We have celery. That's going to be a replacement. Cabbage is looking pretty good, except for that one in the back, which I have a replacement. I'm going to try some early prolific straight neck squash, plus some more pickling peppers. As you can see, I've not gotten to the peppers in the food forest. All peppers, I'll fix that. Cherokee purple I saved. Everything can't grow in the food forest. Peppers. Radishes are looking pretty nice. These are our radishes. This is a butternut squash. I'm going to train to climb that fence. Some beautiful tomato plants in here. We have our Rutgers. Back up a little bit. Rutgers. You guys know about my basil. They're friends. Super sauce. And a Parks Whopper tomato. Looking pretty healthy, guys. Go to our watermelon trough. The sugar baby's gonna be trained to climb the fence. We're gonna allow the yellow watermelon from the KMF project to have the trough. Looking pretty good, guys. Pretty proud of what I've done. It's not gonna be perfect, but I'm learning every year. Our micros back there, not very happy. More aromas, not sure I need them, but we'll find them a spot. Pickling ready to go on the ground. You'll see some empty spots out there for that. Those are extra tomatoes. My tomatillos. Something's getting that one. But I do have a pretty one, so I kind of need to save it. Sugar baby watermelon is not liking that pot, but the sugar pumpkin is. I'll put a fence back there too. We'll leave them in the pot, see what happens. A sugar cube cantaloupe. A kitty where he don't belong. A kitty where I don't belong. I'm not supposed to be in here, Mama. Rutgers. Parks Whopper. Cherries I gotta split up. Peppers. I did try potato from seed, and guys, it does work. Now what I'm doing with that now, because we're putting actual potatoes in the ground, I just want to see if I can do it from seed. And yes, I can. Peppers. Can you tell the pepper section's next? Get the extra cucumbers. Get the peas around the pillar out there. All these are peppers. More peppers. Peas that I'll leave in here. I'm going to do some seed around the pillar. And yes, we have peas. The romaine lettuce, I'll tell you what I'm about to do with that soon too. Extra tomatoes, those are my cayenne peppers. More dill. Cilantro, sage. Peppers, cumin, more borage, but I'm not sure how many borages I need. Cumin, and that's a wild bee balm, I'm not sure it's coming back. Turnips, they're looking pretty good. I've got some black seeded Simpson lettuce. That's going to do that, in that. And carrots. Not bad. I'm working on it. I'll show you the food forest. I'm pretty proud of what I've got done in just 7 days, considering 3 of them was dodging rain showers. So let's go to the food forest. Welcome to the food forest. We started the food forest last year. We expanded it this year. We have Sailor joining us today. This is the rock bed, guys, that the owners made for me. Is that not so cool? So thank you all for your suggestions and comments. I loved every single one. But I think we have decided to make this a salad box. We're going to put the romaine in here with some carrots and some radishes, some good deep root. I didn't want my rocks covered up. They're so pretty. So I think we're going to make a little salad box, so if somebody wants to come down here and get some lettuce, you don't have to walk all the way through the food forest. So I like the salad box idea. We have broccoli, with some Granite's yellow onions. They're friends. We have cabbage with celery and the Tokyo long onions. Also friends. Need to get something in here with the cauliflower. Cauliflower section. Last Monday we broke ground on the corn. Look at that. We broke ground on the corn. Those are the silver queens. And you're gonna see a little ditch looking thing back there. Wildflowers will go back there. I know I have extra room. I'm planning. These are gonna be the three sisters. I've never done the three sisters before. We got 6 butternut squash surrounding 4 silver queens, and there are beans, 4 beans around each corn plant. So let's see if we can do the three sisters, guys. I'm looking forward to that one. We have our maize corn. They've been in the ground a week. They're surviving. Again, those are all be wildflowers back there. I strung it off so I don't hit it with the weed eater. We're gonna have 4 sunflowers. Sorry. I'm experimenting, learning from my mistakes. So let's see if we can keep some of the weeds out this year. These are all sugar pumpkins. Try to keep some of the weeds out of it this year. Sugar pumpkins are looking pretty good. We have our celery and carrots. That's all going to be carrots with a couple of celeries at the end. Our yellow watermelon from the KMAC project. They're all holding up. I got 4 in this trough and 1 in the trough in the greenhouse. So I have 5 watermelons, yellow, full grown, from the KMAC project. We'll see if they take. I am going to lose my full grown cantaloupe. I have sugar cube cantaloupe going in the trough, but I think we're going to lose the full grown cantaloupe. We might have some full grown honeydew though. Let's see what happens. They're looking a little mad at me too. Brian helped me and did the russet potatoes yesterday. We'll put the red tomatoes in the front. We have Parks Whopper tomatoes from the KMAC project. Hillbilly tomatoes. I know some of them are looking sad, but they're getting some sunshine and water. They just got planted, so let's hope we all revive. I gotta get the basil around them. It's a pot of basil, so I can sprinkle it throughout the tomato area. And peppers, they're friends as well. Super sauce. We're at Roma's. These are my cherries. Other than the pot that's in the greenhouse I gotta work on. And these are gonna be beefsteaks. I think I already lost one. These are wildflowers. I have some wildflowers back here. This will be raspberries, strawberries. The asparagus trough got done this weekend. It's about 5 or 7, 5 big crowns, 2 smaller ones. Strawberries and blueberries. They don't mind some shade. We'll keep going. All that will be peppers. Looking at the pepper area. And here I have 3 sugar cube cantaloupe and 2 sugar baby watermelons. These are beans, climbing beans with seeds in between the big plants, so we'll have sprouts coming up really, really soon. You're looking at zucchini. Zucchini I will train to climb the trellis. I am so proud of what I've accomplished. I really am. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just having fun and being creative, guys. My pickling cucumbers. You guys saw the babies in the greenhouse. They'll go in between. A project for me today. Along with we need to get the red potatoes in the ground. And if the cantaloupe's not going to make it, that'll just give me more room for potatoes. Because wish us luck on the potatoes. Those were some very long roots. That's going to be the P-pillar. What do you think, guys? I am super proud. I am so proud. Please be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. And let's continue to grow together, guys. This is awesome. Happy mid-June update. More to come. Love you all. Bye.